When you pray, you open a portal in the spirit realm. When you complain, you open a portal in the spirit realm. When you pray, and offer up thanksgiving to God, you open a portal because there's now incense and angels are attracted so they can smell your thanksgiving and your praise and your prayer. So now when you pray, when you think on God, the angels come and surround you. When you complain, you also open a portal and demon spirits come and are attracted to that. When you think on God and think of the future, you literally go there in the spirit. When you think on your past that most times you're ashamed of, you literally transport spiritually into your past. This is why when you begin to dwell on your past, mistakes, condemnation, your failures, who you used to be, you can get depressed in the moment. Sadness and a feeling overtakes you in the present. How can something